In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Slack with Monday.com seamlessly, whether you're looking to streamline communication within your team or simply wanting to ensure that updates are always in sync between the two platforms. This guide will walk you through each step. In just a few minutes, you'll have these two powerful tools working together to boost your productivity. First things first, open your browser and navigate to Monday.com. This is the hub where you'll manage your boards and where the integration magic happens. Once there, look towards the top right of the screen and click on Login. If you haven't already signed in, go ahead and do so. For those who prefer using services like Google for quicker access, click on Google and select the Google account you typically use for Monday.com. This should take you straight to your dashboard. Now, locate your specific board where you want to set up the Slack integration. Clicking on this board is crucial as it serves as the workspace where collaboration happens between you and your team. Next, look for the Integrate button, often situated at the top or within the board's header. Clicking on Integrate will open up a world of possibilities as you can connect various apps and services with your Monday.com account. Scrolling down the integration options, you'll see Slack listed. Select it. This is where we start diving into how the integration specifically with Slack will operate. The platform offers various ways to connect. You can choose based on notifications, alerts, or updates that best match how your team works. It's essential to tailor this connection to meet the unique needs of your workflow to ensure nothing slips through the cracks. After choosing the type of Slack connection, you'll proceed by clicking Use Template. Templates can make the integration process significantly easier by providing a predefined setup tailored for common use cases. It reduces guesswork and allows you to focus on integration rather than setup. With your template selected, the next step is crucial: integration. Click Connect and follow the prompts to input your Slack account details. This will require you to authorize the connection, ensuring that both platforms can communicate with each other securely. Remember, keeping your details secure is key, so double-check authentication and permissions before proceeding. And there you have it. Easy as a pie. You've just integrated Slack with Monday.com. Now, updates and alerts from your Monday.com board can pop up directly in your Slack channels, keeping everyone informed and in sync. This should significantly streamline your workflow, enhancing team collaboration and project management. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide useful.